Here's the microwave. You'll notice that the microwave will only be powered when the RV is powered electrically. You can see if there's no time listed, the RV does not have power. We have a cover in here for preventing splashes and save some cleanup. But when the RV is powered, it's just like a normal microwave. Here's your fridge and freezer. The controls for this are up top. You'll see that out button, it raises it out as with the gas. In will be auto. Generally, I leave it in a position for auto. And then on off button, when you turn it on, it will do a check to make sure the propane is flowing, and then you'll see it's in the auto position. For opening the door, press here and then pull the handle open. Here's your freezer. There's ample space in here. We'll have some ice trays as well for you. When you close it, make sure you hear the click. Same with the fridge. Press the release and pull it open. And again, you'd be surprised how much room and how much food this fridge will hold. We have dry camped for almost a week and survived without having to get anything. Again, just push it and listen for the click. And that's your fridge.